channel, and I hope everything is going great with you all. And yes, I know it's been a while. I haven't uploaded any video because I was quite busy with my random stuffs here. I also went to my mommy's place, so that's why I could not get time to shoot a video. But I'm back again, and oh god, I just cut my hair recently. Yesterday itself I did a haircut, so that's why the bangs are creating some problem. It's okay. So the look I'm gonna show you today is this that I have created, and it's a very simple, quite wearable, quick eye makeup, so you can wear it during daytime or nighttime. If you want to know how I created this, then keep on watching the video. So as you can see, I have already done with this eye, and I will be showing you how to get this look on my other eye, and I don't think it will take us more than 5 minutes. For that, I will just ask Alexa to remind us after 5 minutes. So let me ask Alexa. Alexa, set an alarm for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Okay, let's get started now. To prime my eyes, I am using here concealer from Maybelline, that is the eye eraser concealer, and it's in the shade Fair. Oops, we don't have much time. To set the concealer, I am using my Maybelline setting powder in the shade medium, light medium. Now to get the sharp edge, I am using here the cello tip. I will be trying eyeliner with the pencil, that is the Kajal pencil from Maybelline. Now with the help of smudging brush, I am just smudging the liner. For the eyeshadow, I am using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I will be applying the shade Eden in my crease. And with the help of eyeshadow brush, I am going to take the shade Blazing and start applying it all over my eyelid. Now by taking the black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild in my smudging brush, I'm just applying the shadow on the eyeliner and just smudging it out a little bit more. Alexa, stop. So partially here our eyes are done, and let's move to the base makeup. And before that I will be applying my moisturizer, and for moisturizer I'm using here the Garnier's Light Complete Moisturizing Serum in Lotion. This is it. We need to apply it all over my face and neck. For primer, I am using the Pore Primer Flawless Finish Primer from PAC. Just a little bit is enough for me. And it is having a slightly sweetish fragrance in it, which I really like. It instantly minimizes your pores, make your skin smooth for applying the foundation. As you know, the winter season has started. During winter season our skin gets dried up and we feel so itchy, so make sure you change your foundation from pure matte to dewy finish foundation so that it will be more hydrating and your skin won't look patchy at the same time, and also it won't look dry. So here I'm using the foundation from L'Oreal True Match. It's a dewy foundation. I'm directly applying the foundation on my face. This is the first time I'm applying the foundation in this way, but it's okay. Anyway, I wanted to try. So to blend the foundation here I am using a fluffy brush, as the consistency is very liquidy, so you won't get much coverage by blending it with the blender. So that's why I'm using here the brush to blend the foundation into my skin. As I always tell, don't forget to apply the foundation to your ears and neck. For concealer, I'm using here the Maybelline's it is a concealer in the shade light, no, in the shade fair, and applying it in my usual places like under my eye area, my chin, its bubble, nose, and little bit in my forehead. For contour, I'm using the contour stick from Focaccia in the shade coffee and applying it right below my cheekbones, my jawline, and spits of my nose. And if you have been following me from a while, then you must be knowing that I don't like to contour my forehead because it's already smaller, and if I contour it more further then I won't be able to see my forehead. That's why I skip contouring my forehead, and before blending my concealer I like to do my contouring. So here I'm blending my contouring with the help of angled fluffy brush in the upward direction. And for the jawline in the downwards direction. Oh god, it's making too much of noise. To blend my concealer, I'm again using my brush. I like to blend the concealer for the eye area at the last because it gets some time to settle into the skin, and this technique gives me more coverage. And I know most of you can relate it. You don't want to show your dark circles, though I don't have much dark circles, but still. Done with the blending, and to set the concealer I'm using my Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder in the shade light medium and applying it just at the area we have applied the concealer. To bronze my face, I'm using my Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade Bronzer Kiss and applying it with the same angled fluffy brush. Let's get back to the eyes. To tightline my lower waterline, I'm again using the same kajal from Maybelline and just tightlining my lower lash line. Also, I'm dragging little bit lower so that I can smudge it out and make both the upper and the lower eyelid complement each other. With the help of smudging brush, I'm taking the eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, the black eyeshadow. And to smudge out the black eyeshadow, and I'm using the color Blazing, and for that here I'm using a slightly angled fluffy brush. For the mascara, I'm using my Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline. I will be applying just a single coat. As you know, I'm gonna apply the falsies. For the falsies, I'm using my Pro Art Premium Lashes 003. I will be back after applying my falsies. So I'm back after applying my falsies, and let's move further. For the blush, here I am using the stick from Chambord, and it's in the shade Crimson. Sticking a little bit on my brush and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Little bit in my chin as well. I don't know why, but I just like applying whatever left over in my brush. I do apply it in my chin. For the highlighter, here I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold on my cheekbone, under the brow bone, Cupid's bow, chin, tip of my nose, and bridge of my nose. And with the help of smaller brush, I'm applying the same highlighter in my tear duct area as well, just to brighten up my eyes a little bit more. For the lips, I'm gonna mix two lipsticks. For that, here I'm using the orange lipstick, and it's a tablet lipstick from Dazzle, I think. Yeah, I'm directly applying it on my lips. And on top of it, I'm gonna apply a liquid lipstick. This is it, and it's in the shade RGL04, kind of nude, brownish nude color. So yeah, this is the final look for the Smokey eyeliner look, and as you can see, it did not took much time to create. It was very simple, just few colors. The look is quite wearable. You can wear it during daytime or during nighttime, and if you want to wear this kind of look during nighttime, then you can just add a little bit of sparkle in the middle of the eyelid and you're good to go. If you like the look and if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. And you can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and also on TikTok, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye.